So we're back at Langford Lakes once again. We've just come into May now, so I'm going to probably tack this one on to the end of the April visit. Just want to see if there's any more birds around here this time and see if that other hide's open. So let's get going. So we're back at the far hide again, and my first thoughts are the lapwing's still here. So let's catch a little bit of video of the lapwing. A few close-up photos. It's a family of coots with a baby. It's obviously the time for the young. There's a lovely little gosling just outside this hide actually. I don't know whether it's any good. Seemed to have its back to me most of the time. Well, that wasn't too bad actually. A couple of Gadwall. I've checked, they definitely are Gadwall, those two. I'm going to try the other hide and see what we can see from there. Nice to see the lapwing again, and of course the Canada geese. Snipe seems to have gone. Let's head on, see what we can find. Well, we've come to the newest hide. Now this is where I saw the grey heron a little while ago and some cormorants sunning themselves. So what has been seen here today? potato in the water. A day-old Canada chick. Might have been the same one I saw a little while ago. Heard the cuckoo very clearly. Reed bunting. Haven't seen any reed bunting. Let's head on. You can quite clearly hear something in those nesting holes. Well, that was another successful trip. So, I've no idea how many times I've been back to Langford Lakes now. I have got some photos and videos from the end of April, which I need to edit. And this is the 8th of May, and I got a little bit more video today, which if I've got enough, it'll make 2 videos. If not, I'll just tack this onto the end of the April one. But I will definitely be coming back. Now, today, I saw Gadwall for the first time here. The lapwings are still here. The teal have gone, plenty more mallards. Canada geese year round. So I will definitely be coming back, maybe towards the end of the month, beginning of June.